Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we solve KOKO eating bananas. We have an input array of point 1, 4, 3, and 2, and our time limit to eat all the bananas is 9. The exact mission is to find the mean and the minimum integer rate per hour to finish everything on time. And then I will explain the core constraint understandable and the most easiest way to think, so we cannot multitask if Coco reach a point early in the rest of the hour completely wasted. For example, if Coco can eat 2 bananas in 1 hour, he go to the first point of which have only 1 banana. Although Coco uh, can eat just 1 banana in only 30 minutes, he has to wait other another 30 minutes to complete that 1 hour. So as we said, if we finish a pie early, the rest of that hour is completely wasted. This means the time spent on each pie required on a scaling function. Now we can test 3 different rates of eating to see how the number change. Okay, first we check the rate of sugar. For the example, Coco go to the first pie and he eat that 1 bananas in only 30 minutes, and he wait another 30 minutes to go to the next pie. So his the total time he spent to eat banana in this pie is exactly 1 hour. And then he go to the second pie because he can eat 2 bananas in 1 hour. He can complete this pie in exact 2 hours because 4 by 2 equal to. After that, in the third part, Coco spent uh exact 1 hour to complete 2 bananas, and then the remained 1 bananas he would complete it in 30 minutes. Uh, Overall, he complete the third part in 2 hours, and finally, in the last part, Coco can eat all the bananas in uh, in exactly 1 hour, and so on. We can represent the math by the scaling function. Uh, I write it here, and the total time Coco spends on eating all the bananas in every pie is 6 hours. It is smaller than 9, so it is a valid answer. Next, what if we slow down to 1? We divide each pie by 1. And the total time become 10 hours. 10 hours is so much greater than 9. So the rate of 1 is invalid. The cocoa eating too slow. And finally, what if we speed up to 3 bananas per hour? The math gives us uh, 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal 5. 5 5 is clearly within the limit, but we want the minimum rate. So the rate of 3 bananas per hour is is bigger than the rate of 2 bananas per hour. So the answer of 3 bananas per hour is invalid because we have to find the uh, minimum rate Coco can eat bananas. So I wonder, what is the maximum speed we could ever need? For example, uh, what if Coco can eat 4 bananas per hour? So we can clear all the bananas in only 4 hours. This is so fast. And can you answer what is the fastest? I mean the max rate Coco can eat, and it is simply the max of the pie, which is 4. If our rate is 4, we can finish every single part in exact 1 hour. The total time clearly 4 hours, which is easily clear out the 4 hour deadline. This guarantees that our maximum bounds is always valid because our possible rate because our possible eating rate form a perfect source range from 1 to max pi. We can use the binary search algorithm. If we get if we initialize the left equal 1 and the right equal max pi, the answers uh, and in the first we initialize the middle is the answers. If uh, if we uh, if you have some experience in binary search before, you will know the mid is uh the mid is the average sum of left and right. Now let's direct into the coding. Now let's code it. First, I initialize the left one and right equal 5, and uh, as we know, the max pi is always the valid answer. But it is not the answer we want to find. But it is not the minimum range of it. Now we initialize the total time below, and we and let's write the condition of the binary search algorithm. Why then more right with the average sum of left and right. And now we write the math function. This problem of the answer of the total time of the condition total time smaller than the limit time. It means our answer valid because we want to find the smallest rate of code. So we're gonna test. So we gonna lower the 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 lower boundary, the right order equal minus 1 in the total time actually with the that the limit time our answer will should be closer to the max time, so we can increase the chance of answer becoming already. Finally, we can third answer. Yeah, right here. Take the box. Third, so much. I think the video is should be good. Um, everybody think what you gonna write. Okay, thank you for watching.